Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the controller model and the sensor type so you use the right parameter set. Once powered and the sensor is connected, press Menu or SET to access configuration. Make sure the unit is unlocked. Next, navigate to the input type or sensor parameter and verify scaling so readings match the probe. You do this first to avoid wrong measurements later. Incorrect input selection invalidates all settings downstream, so correct it before changing control parameters. You now set the target temperature and the control method. Choose on /OFF for simple applications or PID for precise control. Once you pick PID, enter proportional, integral, and derivative values, starting with conservative P and I to avoid overshoot. Then adjust cycle time or output update rate and set hysteresis if using on /OFF. Make sure to save parameters temporarily and observe the response for several cycles. This helps you judge if tuning must be refined. Finally, save your configuration to non-volatile memory and enable any parameter lock to prevent accidental changes. You should run a step test. Change set point slightly and watch process value and output to confirm proper reaction. If the controller behaves oddly, first verify sensor wiring, grounding, and probe calibration, because those cause most errors. If readings are stable but control is poor, return to PID tuning. If display shows sensor fault codes, replace or recalibrate the probe before further adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.